Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hey girl, hey guys, welcome. My name is Kiki and I'm back with another video. If you have not already, please be sure to hit subscribe. You already know, like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, today's video I will be showing you these color contact lenses that I received from this company called ICOICE. Right here, they sent me 4 different pair of color contact lens, and I'm going to show you guys each and every one of them today and give you my input on each, let you know if the contacts are comfortable, did they burn my eyes, you know, all of the above. So guys, make sure you continue watching if you would like to see. These are one of the contact lenses I am wearing right now. Very nice, very nice. So if you would like to see what I said about these contacts and the rest of these contacts, please be sure to continue watching. But once again, make sure you subscribe to my channel now. Okay, I gave you enough time. I hope you subscribe. Let's get into the video. So this is all the things that came in the box. I ordered 4 different contact lenses. I have pink green heart, hello jasmine green. This is how the box looks. Versailles russet brown and dolly brown. So these are the boxes that they came in. What's this? So this is wearing instructions. So this tells you everything you need to do. You want to make sure you wash your hands before putting contacts in your eyes because you don't want no germs or bacteria from your nails or your fingers to get into your eye. That will not be cool. So yes, it just tells you wash your hands, use eye drops to put into the contact lens holder. Shaped like a bowl. I don't know what that means. Oh, when you scoop up the contact, you scoop it like a bowl, put it in your eye, but I'm going to show you guys that right now. So for my girls that don't know how to put on contacts, make sure you pay attention because I'm going to show you right now. And what is this? This is Cocoa Bear. This is a tweezer applicator, which I probably will not be using it because I tried these before and yeah, it's not for me, okay? It didn't work. I couldn't do it. Just something poking me in my eyes. I couldn't do it. So, but I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So, this is the tweezer. You use this to remove the contacts, and you use this applicator. You use this applicator to put the contact lens in. So this is perfect for my girls with the long nails, but I'm not using it. And then also it came with 2. And then these are the little lens cases. Let's see what they're looking like. So it's like a little cat, and then you open it on the top and put your contact lens in there. Open it on the bottom and put your contact lens there with your solution. This is the solution that I use. So you would put some of that in there and then put your contacts in. And these contacts are good for 1 year. And I actually have my prescription put into these contact lenses. So you can do that. That's a plus for my girls that wear glasses. And yeah, I think all of the contact holders are the same. Oh no, so they're all the same shape but different colors. So they come in all different colors. So you got yellow, blue, green, and pink. So that's cute. So 4 holders because I have 4 different contact lenses that I'm going to be trying on today. So guys, let's get into putting on these contacts. Alright, so I got you guys up close and personal. Let's get into the first pair. It's going to be Dolly Brown. I will leave everything down below in the description box. And there will be a discount code as well. So be sure to check that out. So you guys can place your order. Wait a minute. Looks like this. Come on, sweetheart. Really? There we go. So it comes in a pack like this. So this looks like a chocolate brown. This is a dark, dark brown. It's giving chocolate chip cookie. So like I told y'all, I'm not using the applicator. So I'm going to show you. Sorry if you hear the little baby noise in the background, the little music. But my son, I have to put music on so I can get videos done. I have to let him watch Coco Melon and whatever else. So I take the contact like this. Get you a napkin just in case your eyes water. So you see I have a cup like this. So I'm using the camera now to see what I'm doing instead of my mirror. Open like this. Place it. Blink. Done. Chocolate chip cookie. What? Hold on. Alright, so they feel good in my eye. My eyes are not irritated, not burning. Doesn't feel dry. So as of right now, I like these right here. So this is Dolly Brown. Okay, so these are pretty. So let's go to our next color. So this is how I remove my contacts. I use my nails. Out. Put it in the top. Done. Just like that. And then you just do the same thing for the bottom. So the next color we're going to do is Hello Jasmine Green. Alright, so this one I told you is... No. This one is Hello Jasmine Green. Very pretty, bold, nice green color. It goes good with my shirt. And once again, they're very comfortable and I like. And I feel like this goes, I feel like all of these contact lenses I'm trying on, all the colors I picked out goes with every skin color. So whether you wear prescription contacts or not, I say you try them out and get these colors. And I will leave everything down below in the description box. So this one is Hello Jasmine Green. So now let's go to the next one. Alright, so the next one is Rosales Russet Brown. I didn't realize I got two brown colors. I don't know. These are a little different. Let's see. Okay. Very different. This one, I don't think is like an everyday type of natural eye color. Not this one. This one is if you're going somewhere, Halloween, something like that, you put these on if you're going to like a little event. But these are not, I would not wear these. You see them? I would not wear these as an everyday natural color because it's not. This is how this one looks. So it's like black. You see? That's, to me, this is not an everyday look. It's cute. But here go my son. It's cute, but this is not an everyday natural color. But it's comfortable. Alright guys, so we are now on our last pair of contact lenses. These are called Pink Green Heart. They're very different from the other ones that I tried on. So, let's see guys. Matter of fact, I'm going to make you guys wait. I'm not going to let you see me put these contact lenses on. Hold on. Okay, so I'm going to save the best for last. I'm going to tell you now, these contacts are very different. You're definitely not wearing these every day. So guys, get ready. 1, 2, 3. Look at these guys. It's a heart inside of my eye. A heart. Do you see that? Now, I'm taking them off soon because I feel weird. So you're definitely not wearing these every day. These are perfect for Valentine's Day, any type of costume event, stuff like that. But as far as every day, no, because my vision is blurry. I can't really see. I'm only seeing out of this little pupil. Well, whatever this is called, that's what I'm seeing through. So everything else is blurry, and I don't like that. But these contacts are very cute. That's why I saved them for last, and that's why I picked them out, because I'm like, oh, it has a heart. That's cute. People can get these for special events or parties that they're going to. But as far as comfortable, they're comfortable because they're not dry. They don't make my eyes burn, but I don't like the blurry part. So as far as trying to drive with these, I don't know how that would go, and I don't know how they would feel when you're outside in the sunlight. But guys, these are the last ones. Like I said, everything that I tried on today will be down below in the description box. So be sure to check them out. And there's also a discount code. And I am going to be putting these in the pink contact lens holder. So like I said, be sure to follow and go on their website. The name of the company is ICOICE. And inside the box it says, we maintain minimalist and eco-friendly packaging for the good of our planet. And then it says, we got you. And welcome to ICOICE. So guys, be sure to place your order today. Use the discount code, because who doesn't like to save a coin or two? But make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down below in the comment section which contact lens are you going to try out. Which one was your fave? Will you try these? Let me know down below in the comment section. But yes guys, be sure to follow me on Instagram at lavishlooks_by_Kiki. And until next time, you already know. Stay fabulous, be safe, be cute, stay positive. And that's that. Bye guys. Wait guys, I almost forgot. I wanted to get my kids' reaction to these contact lenses. Hold on. King and Shahad!
Oh no.
What do you mean, oh no?
Your eyes. How much fingers I have?
5.
That looks weird. How?
It's a heart. It's blurry. It's hard to see in them. It's a heart.
It looks cool. That look cool.
Ooh.
You too.
Well, there's my kids' reaction to these contact lenses.
That looks cute.
Look, Dada.
Wow.
Wow.
That's not my mama. That's not my mama.
Wow. All right.
All your eyes. Cute.
So there's their reaction to these contact lenses, guys. See you later.